Good morning, everyone. My name is SALAS-MORALES, and today I'm going to be talking about my prezi titled Stereotypical Thinking. As the title implies, the presentation is going to be about stereotypes and how they are a problem to society. I'm going to give some examples of stereotypes, an idea for a possible change, and my experience with stereotypes and how they change the way I think of the world. First off, I have to let you know what stereotype means, which, according to the Cambridge Dictionary, a stereotype is a set idea that people have about what someone or something is like, especially an idea that is wrong. Now, there are many different types of stereotypes, but some of the most common are gender profiling, which means that one gender thinks it's superior than the other. Some examples are that men are strong and do all the work. Women aren't as smart as a man. Girls are not good at sports. Guys are messy and unclean. Women are supposed to stay at home cooking and cleaning. Now, obviously, these are wrong in every way possible. Now, a different type of stereotypes are about cultures. Some examples are about that all Arabs and Muslims are terrorists. All Asians are good at math and they eat cats and dogs. All Irish people are drunks and eat potatoes. All Mexicans come to America illegally. Also, all Mexican women are housekeepers and all Mexican men are gardeners. And finally, all white men are obese, lazy, and dim-witted. Now that you have an idea of what stereotypes are, I want to talk about what the problem that this way of thinking brings, and that this is discriminating. For years, stereotypes have changed how people perceive, interact, and make decisions about other people from a different race, gender, sexual orientation, age, and other characteristics. This is obviously discriminating against them because they get treated differently from quote-unquote normal people. They get bad looks and sometimes even get killed just for being them and believing in something different. Now, I have an idea on how we can solve this way of thinking. A possible solution. Now, the big problem with stereotypes is that we usually lean towards assuming how people are by the way they look or how they talk. I strongly believe that if we give people the benefit of the doubt and actually give them a chance by talking to them and getting to know them, maybe that can change our perspective of other people and see we're not that different from one another. I don't think this idea will terminate completely stereotypes at all because they play a big role in how we look at the world. But it can definitely help us open up to new people, create new friends, and destroy this image the media has engraved in our heads about other races and cultures. Here, I found a video on YouTube that can help us get a better understanding of the problem and a solution.
We value a black president, but we don't value black people, right? We love black music, but we don't love black people. We want to hear it, but we don't want to fund the schools that have the music programs that will later turn into the next great musician. With white people, you see them all kinds of ways. They're heroes and they're villains. They're princesses and they're poor, right? There's a range of that. But when it comes to people of color in the media, we don't get that. Popular culture actually shapes how we understand reality. That's where our ideas of black people and Muslims can challenge what race means. I like to say that images of Muslims in the media are plentiful but monolithic, right? So you have these two kind of ways people show up. They're always quote-unquote like originally from someplace else, and they're quote-unquote brown, which might mean South Asian or Arab or Middle Eastern. And that's true whether it's something negative, so you're kind of like, run-of-the-mill tourist on nighttime TV, or if it's something a little more complex, like Aziz Ansari's character on Master of None. The problem with these sort of characterizations is that it continues to perpetuate this idea that Muslims are in fact foreign, which is a problem in America. And the reason why it's a problem in the United States is because the ways in which the country works around race and xenophobia, right, is that your loyalty, like you're only really loyal to the country if you're basically white, male, Christian, and have some money. When you see an image over and over and over again, so if you see like a story about a black person as a criminal, the criminalization of black people is something that people think is like natural, right? It's because why? Because they've heard it from their politicians, they've read it in their textbooks, and they've seen it in their films, and in their movies, and in their novels, and their commercials, right? And the jingles, right? They've seen it in so many different spaces. So therefore then, what happens is when they see a black person, they make a series of assumptions about them before they even know who the person is. And so when we don't have better representations that are complicated, that give us the good, the bad, the ugly, the beautiful, the exciting, the boring, right, about different kinds of people, we want people who are complex, because humans are complex, right? And so popular culture can help by actually doing that, by giving us sort of complicated sort of narratives, even if they're small, right, of who these people are. Representations don't have to be perfect, right? If you have a Muslim on a TV show, they don't have to be perfect, because you don't want the opposite, right? So you have like a really bad person, and then you have the good Muslim, but they're only good because they're not bad. What ends up happening is for the people who are depicted in really sort of stereotypical ways, they experience sort of erasure. So they're supposed to be a part of a community, are supposed to be a part of a society, but they don't feel like it because they're not reflected. And when you're not reflected, it's also telling you messages you're not valued.
I'm sorry about the dogs. In conclusion, like I said before, I don't think stereotypes will ever be fully eradicated due to the fact that they play such an important role in our lives. I have personally felt the power of stereotypes psychologically when I was called a nerd for having good grades at school and playing video games in my free time. It is not a good feeling, and it definitely hurts your mentality. Since then, I have become more aware of how I look and what people may think of me. Stereotypes are not a joke, so please don't judge people for the way they are and actually open up to meet new people. Like that old saying goes, don't judge a book by its cover. Here are the links I used for the creation of this presentation. And well, that's it. Thank you for your attention.